Hey folks, welcome to today's Society Trader video. I have another amazing view for you guys in just a minute or two. I'll switch the camera and you will be able to see that. It is, of course, Memorial Day today. US markets are closed. I myself am taking a bit of a bike trip today to clear my head and sort of get my thoughts right for the week ahead. And so I don't want to do any charts today, but what I did want to do is give you a bit of a sort of a talk on greed and something I would like for you to try as the stock market opens again next week. And we always talk about how greed is certainly one of the biggest enemies when it comes to trading and investing. Of course, we have all heard the sentence, greed is good, by Gordon Gekko, and he was talking about something else, or greed in a different sense, when he said that. But if, most people will say buy a stock at $50, they have a price target at say 55, all of a sudden the stock goes to 57 and they're not taking profits. And the reason they're not taking profits is because of greed. And even though initially they didn't have that greed when they got into the position, once they start seeing those profits, they don't actually take profits. So the lesson I want to sort of pass along today, and something I would like for you to try this next week, one way that I get out of trading ruts. So sometimes things just don't go so well. So what I'll do is I'll make a conscious effort to take small profits. So for example, instead of putting a 10% upside target on a trade, I'll literally make like a 1 or 2% upside target at most. And what's going to happen is I'm going to get a lot more base hits, a lot more smaller profits, or a lot more profits, even though they're not big. What it does, it kind of changes my mindset from one of fear to one to where I'm regaining some confidence. And that really is the most important thing as a trader, it's this fine balance between being confident and greedy, right? And obviously you want to be closer to cautious than being greedy, but it's actually quite a fine line. So by taking small profits and hitting more base hits, I have found that that's one of the best ways for me personally to get out of trading ruts. And I think you should try that this coming week if you currently in the trading rut, and even if you're not, it's a really good thing to practice. So that's a bit of a little lesson or something I'd like for you to give a shot this coming week. Now, as promised, let me show you this absolutely gorgeous view today. Look at that beautiful lake. You can see the mountains back there as well. And so without any further ado, I am going to leave you with another 2 seconds of this video shot. And I'm going to hop back on the bike. And I will see you guys tomorrow when the markets are back open. Take care, rest up, and I'll see you tomorrow.